Hi everyone, it's McKiztosh, founder of McKiztosh Dance here with another tutorial in Kizomba. Today I'm going to be talking about our body movement, our jinga, and our hip movement in Kizomba basic two-step, or commonly called side-to-side step. I'm going to be talking about waves versus circles and also some do's and don'ts. So don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that you can see more content like this. So in side to side Kizomba, I'm going to talk about first something that I find it breaks the flow up, so it doesn't look as good. So this is what I would try to avoid to do. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You want to avoid doing this sharp hip movement in your hips, yeah? Be kind to your hips. They belong to you. Let's look after them. And it doesn't look flowy. So what I like to dance and what I like to teach people as well is to do Kizomba with the body movements with circles. So if you imagine a circle, you would go with your hips, you would go back, around, forward, and back. Yeah, so you go around, forward, and back. So we're not going to do the full circle in Kizomba. We're going to be talking about a semicircle. So our hips are going to go back and around. Yeah, back and around. And from the back and around, back and around. That's what our hips are going to be doing. So we're going to step right. We do a quarter of that semicircle. So you start the semicircle with your hips going back towards your left. You close, your left leg finishes that semicircle. Then you step left, you start the semicircle, going towards your right, and then your right leg comes in to close, finishes the semicircle. Yeah? So if you think of a semicircle, one of your legs is going to do half of that semicircle, so a quarter of the semicircle, and then your other leg is going to finish off the semicircle, so it's going to do another quarter. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? As opposed to 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah? So think semicircles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that adds a lot more flow and smoothness to your dance. The other version is called the waves. I don't particularly dance the waves or teach the waves. It's another way of doing it. It's what your body feels most comfortable to do. But you can do the wave. So here, if we're doing a wave, we're going to bend with our knees. Our hips are going to go back. And then we're going to stand up again to level. So step down, down the knees, come back up. Yeah? So you're going to be doing a wave. The wave is just with the lower half as opposed to your whole body. Yeah? You don't want to use your whole body, because when you use your whole body, this is why I don't particularly dance it or teach it. When it's a risk to use your whole body, because when you use your whole body to do the wave, you end up with your hips tilting forward, and you don't want to do that because your partner is there when you're dancing. You're going to be invading their space. So that's why I tend not to use the wave, but it is a possibility. The also reason why I don't tend to use the wave is it's a lot harder to use the wave in Semba, if you also dance Semba. So the movement in Semba is more of like a side down energy, as opposed to like a wave where you're going up. Yeah, so that's why I tend not to use the wave that much. But neither of them are wrong, and it just depends how your body feels. So I'm going to do to music the way I dance and teach, which is Kizomba side to side basic 2 with the circles. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you liked this video. You can also follow me on Instagram at McKiztosh_official. Me gosta de ladre.